Yo, what's going on, traders? It's your one and only skill coach, Tim Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. Today in this video, I'll be teaching you something very important that you need to know, learn, and even master if you want to be profitable in the financial market, right? So in this video, I'll teach you a simple support and resistance strategy you can use to trade the boom and crash or even any volatility index or any currency pair market. All right, so as you can see, currently I'm on a $2,000 profit and I'm hoping to exit the market anytime soon. But before I exit, I just want to show you the strategy that I used and how I took the execution of the trade and what I'm looking out for. All right, so are you ready to learn something new, guys? In case if this is your first time on my channel, you want to do me a little favor, hit that little subscribe button there, turn on the notification bell. Look, that bell is very important. Most of you have actually subscribed and I'm grateful for that, but you did not turn the notification bell. So why not use that opportunity right now to turn the bell on? All right, so if you have subscribed, thanks for subscribing, and if you have been following me for a long time, thanks for always being there. Right, let's get straight into the business. So currently, first of all, you need to observe where I took my trade from. All right, because I'll explain to you why I took my trade here and what I looked out for and what you too should be looking out for. All right, now you want to understand in the markets, whenever it comes to the Forex financial market, one thing is very important, and that is what the market structure. It is always important that you look out for the market structure. And what do I mean by market structure? I'm trying to say when we talk about structure, what do I mean by structure? Like we talk about something like construction. What is the market constructing? What's the market building? Or let me say, what is the market creating? How is the market forming? You know, I'm just giving you different terminology so that you can understand it even with a layman understanding, okay? Because I know a lot of traders in my community are really beginners and you need to understand these things. So when we talk about market structure, we're talking about how is the market what is the market creating or printing out on your chart. So you're looking at a market structure before trying to make a decision of your trade. It means you're trying to understand where is the market coming from, where is the market going to, what does it intend to do next, or what is it currently doing, and what does it intend to do next. These are the four important things you always ask yourself. Once you get into your chart, traders, please, if you get this, if you understand what I'm teaching you right now, Forex will be very easy for you. All right, and I'll need you to use the comment section. If you have questions based on the things I'm about to teach you, please use the comment section. Okay, now this is the thing. Once you get into your chart, you want to ask yourself four important questions. One, where is the market coming from? Two, where is it going to? Three, what is it doing currently? And four, what does it intend to do next? Now, out of these four questions, the last question is really difficult, which is what does it intend to do next? It's difficult because it's talking about the future. You don't know what the future holds, right? But now where it becomes beautiful and easy is as a trader, when you make your analysis, your price action analysis, you have ideas of what the market might likely do. And this is why I tell a lot of traders who come to me sometimes, they tell me, oh, you're a Forex trader, oh, trading is gambling, that's why I don't like trading. And I tell them, look, trading is not gambling. You only gamble in the market when you don't know what you're doing in the market. But once you know what you're doing in the market, it's not more a gamble, it's an investment. All right, and in every investment there has to be risk. Okay, so there's times for winning and there's time for losing. Just for instance, if I myself, I have times when I lose. All right, just last 2 weeks I lost about $5,000 on my currency pair account. All right, so you need to know in Forex market there are times of winning and times of losing, and what makes you a profitable trader is when your wins are more than your losses. And how is that possible? That is the time when you want to take different things to consideration: your risk management, your execution strategy, your analysis. All these things are very important. Okay, so now how did I take this trade? Let's break it down one after the other. The first one, I said, where is the market coming from? So when you get into your chart, you want to go to maybe the 4-hour time frame. There are a lot of my fellow traders also in the industry who when they're making the analysis, they love to trade from the daily time frame. Okay, but usually me, whenever I'm analyzing the market, I don't see it's so very important to go to the daily time frame unless I'm not able to see what I'm looking for on the 4-hour time frame. Else 4 hours is always enough for me to start my analysis. Okay, so from the 4-hour time frame, I can see it clearly that this market is coming from a downtrend. So if I look at this market right now, I can see this was what, nothing else but a super downtrend. This market has been a downtrend. So now I know where the market is coming from. Now understand this, guys. There are 3 things that happens in the market. 1, downtrend. 2, range. And 3, uptrend. When we say downtrend, it means the market is from up coming down. When we say range, it means the market is just going straight. Okay, having all the zigzag but going straight, not having a particular direction. And when we say uptrend, it means the market is going to the upside. All right, I'm breaking it down for the sake of beginners in the industry. Okay, so now I can see clearly that this market is coming from what, a downtrend. And in the markets, whenever a downtrend is done, the next thing you should anticipate is an uptrend. So the thing is that most times before an uptrend begins, you can see a little range before the uptrend. Why sometimes you can see an instant uptrend. Like for instance, after this long downtrend, we can see an instant uptrend, but it's not fully an uptrend until it breaks out of this particular zone here. When it breaks out of this zone, okay, it still has more zones to break out of. Okay, when it breaks out of all these zones, you can call it a full-time uptrend. But for now, it's not fully an uptrend, but you can trade along with it. So when we talk about trade along with the market, now in this case, we can see that after the market came down all the way to here, the bulls have been strongly pushing to the upside. Okay, now I have answered the first question, where is the market coming from? Now the next question is, where is it going to? So I can see clearly that this guy is going to the upside. If this guy breaks out of here, I know where exactly is going to next, and that is here. All right, that is here. So I have an idea of where the market is going to. This is why I told you that if you know what you're doing in the market, it's not a gamble. It is an investment. It's just you having the idea. So the whole logic is that before this market breaks out of this zone to go to this other zone, it has to struggle here. There have to be some tug of war around here, and I know that for sure. I'm not ignorant of it. This is what makes you a trader. You have idea of everything that happens even before it happens. I guess we Forex traders ought to be called prophets, right? Okay, so that's the idea, guys. So number 1, where is the market coming from? It's coming from a downtrend. Good. Number 2, where is it going to? From here, I already know where it's going to, which is this guy. It's going to meet this guy. So when it meets it, with what happens around there, I'll be able to tell you where next is going to. I'll be able to tell you if it's going to fall, or I'll be able to tell you if it's going to go up based on the reactions I see around here whenever it gets there. Are you understanding the whole logic? So now I have my market structure in place. And when we talk about the market structure, so we have to understand that in an uptrending market, the market structure builds as a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That's for an uptrend. All right, that's the market structure for an uptrend. And the market structure for a downtrend is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So why did I trade from this zone? That is the question, right? Now, if we head straight to this 15-minute time frame where I executed my trade, look at this. This is what I was looking out for before I placed the trade. Price came here, gave a high, higher low, all right? Higher high, higher low. It wasn't lower than the previous low, all right? When it got there, it began to struggle around. Then I knew that, okay, the bulls are still ready to take the market high again. The bulls are still ready to take market high again. So I placed the trade there. Then anticipating that the market has to go very high because already I know where it's heading to. Remember, I told you guys earlier, you need to know where the market is going to. When you know where it's going to, you have the confidence to place the trade. I know most times most people really don't have time to watch videos to the end, but if you're really watching it even to this extent, it means you're really interested in learning this thing, and I will appreciate it if you really grab this knowledge and grab it well. And please smash the like button if you love this video. I would love to see at least 1,000 likes on this video. All right, and that's how you show me that yes, you love what I'm doing and I should keep giving you more. So price here created a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and I executed the buy from there. And as you can see, it created another higher high, higher low, created another higher high, higher low a little bit more, and higher high. And now as you can see the line I just put here. That is because I have an anticipation that this is where this guy has to stop and keep going. Look where I'm anticipating price to get to before I take my profit. That is why I'm holding strong, okay? That's why I'm holding strong. I would have placed more trades, all right? But I just decided to leave it to go. Already I have 5 lot size on this trades, so I really don't want to stress so much about it, okay? So you can see clearly that I'm anticipating this price to get here and shoot back to the upside. So when you have an idea of where price is going to, it gives you confidence for 2 things. 1, confidence to place your trade, and 2, confidence to hold stronger. Because this is how market plays with your emotions sometimes. It tells you when you place a trade, you begin to fear like, oh, should I take profit now? Should I leave the market? This, that. Come on, guys. When you have an idea of where the market is going to, stay strong in that market. Stay strong in that market. That's how you build your confidence in the market, okay? That's the thing, guys. So let me know, those of you who watched this video to this very end. Comment, team, I watched it. All right? And smash the like button. I want to see that like on this video, and I want to keep getting encouraged to give you guys more videos back to back. All right, so let me know if you have any question. Please use the comment section. So apart from market structure, you must understand that your support and resistance is very important, okay? As you can see, I have my lines on all the zones. My lines are everywhere. That's my support, that's my support, that's my support, resistance, support, resistance, okay? Support, okay? So that's just the logic. In case if you're new to trading and you really don't understand what I mean by support and resistance, please use the comment section and let me know so that maybe I can talk more about it in my next video. I always use your comments to teach you new things, because it's when you ask me a certain question, I will know where you have challenges and I'll talk about it in my next video. All right, so let me know, what are you facing? What's your current challenge? What advice do you need? And I will talk about it on my next video. For the meantime, traders, make sure you stay safe and keep winning.